Today we are going to explore Hormuz Island. That is very different kind of island in the world. Landscape is very beautiful, very important strategic location for global oil supply because it is situated at um, Strait of Hormuz. So this is the location where the island is situated. It is in between, you know, this is the Strait of Hormuz starting from here to there. This is the Oman region. So we are flying. So we are going to fly from Bandar Abbas International Airport and explore it, and then we will land it uh, at the Bandar Abbas International Airport. Okay, so let's start. I am going to take off from here. This plane is Cessna 172 Skyhawk. I have selected this plane today so that we can explore the island in a better way because there is, you can see, uh, we can easily view the outside from this plane. Okay, let's take off. We are in the air, retracting the flaps. You can see that we are leaving the airport. The landscape is very beautiful here. There are a lot of mountains around it. Okay, let's navigate towards the Hormuz Island.
Cessna Lima Papa Sierra. Continue for north departure.
Tower, Cessna Hotel Romeo Lima Papa Sierra. Continue for north departure.
The sky is little cloudy, but clouds are very at the very height. There are no greenery here. You can see the house here. There are some population there. This is Bandar Abbas International Airport. We are in the Iran region. Hormuz Island is very important island in terms of trade. Also, this is a very beautiful tourist location. This is the Hormuz Island, you can see. We are flying at almost 1000 feet of altitude.
Cessna Lima Papa Sierra. Leaving my airspace. Frequency change approved.
Tower, Cessna Hotel Romeo Lima Papa Sierra. Frequency change.
We are about to reach the Hormuz Island. This is a very unique kind of island in the world. The reason is that its soil is red in color in the center of the island, and then it creates a gradient outward, so that's why it is also called the Rainbow Island. The red color is due to iron in the soil. Lot of iron is there. This is the mineral rich island. So iron is the most dominant here. That's why it is creating this kind of color. You can see this location. Here there is an castle that is called Hormuz Portuguese castle, because in 1600 there was Portuguese forces. It was under the control of Portuguese forces. When they left from there, so it is then controlled by, you know. So this is there's most probably this building is the castle. This is simulator, so that is that might not be looking like exactly that building, but this is the castle, and there are some population here. You can see there is a roundabout, and this is the mangrove forest. You can see this structure here. This is red in color. It looks very beautiful. And on the right side you can see the mountains, red mountains, and a kind of gradient. In the center this is more red, and outward it is fading up with a different color, so that's why it is called Rainbow Island. There is a red beach as well at that location somewhere, and there is a tourist point that is called Valley of Statue. Statues are basically rock kind of structures that looks like the statues, so that's why they called it Valley of Statue, and that is very unique and beautiful. You can enjoy the sceneries here. This is Strait of Hormuz, that is starting from here towards the Oman region. So basically there are a lot of countries there at that site, including Saudi Arab, Qatar, Oman. Oman is there. Um, Kuwait. So Qatar supplies the LNG. Other countries supplies the crude oil. So almost 20% of the global oil supply passes from this Strait of Hormuz. So this is the very important strategic location for the world, especially for these exporting countries, and for Japan, Singapore, Pakistan, India, China. So if for any reason this region come under the threat, so it becomes a problem for all those countries, almost whole world, because it causes the inflation, because everything runs on the oil nowadays. So if factories are running using the oil, grid plants, everything, transportation, so if 20% of the oil supply get disturbed, it means the manufacturing and everything causes the problem. So it can lead towards the inflation in the world. So that's why this location is very important. And I think this island is very important because, and unique as well, because of its location and its land. Because this is it does not like the part of the earth, because the land is very different kind of texture, has very different kind of texture here. It's very beautiful, and the location is very important. Before six around 1600, it was also used as a military post and trading post. But when the Portuguese left from here, so basically the Persians decided not to use this for the trading post. So they created the Bandar Abbas port here, and there are or more ports for them as well for exporting. So this is only a tourist place nowadays. If everything is fine and peaceful, then it can become a very beautiful tourist place. As I told you that this is mineral rich island, so the soil of this island also used in culinaries and art as well. And there are soil cave as well. If you visit there, you can enjoy that cave as well. There is a salt cave as well. Let's go to the higher altitude so that we can view the island as a complete. Let me take the plane towards higher altitude. It takes time to gain the altitude. We are about to reach 3000 of feet of altitude. I think we should go more higher so that we can view the island as a complete. You can see the mountains there. Hormuz Island is under control of the Iran, because this is the part of the Iran. I think this is a province as well, Hormozian province. I am not sure. Need to check it. There are several other islands as well. One is Larak and the other one is Kashem. Hormuz Island is very unique. There are some cargo in my plane. You can see some boxes there. Okay, let's navigate towards the island again and see the sceneries from the higher altitude. Now check it, how beautiful it is. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, you can post it, and I would request you to subscribe my channel so that you can find more videos in your notifications and in your feed. I will land this plane on the Bandar Abbas International Airport. Where is the airport? Okay, the airport is there. We can go there and land this plane. You can say goodbye to Hormuz Island. There is this. Okay, let's reduce the altitude so that we can land. Where is our... Okay. That is the runway. We are going to land. Should I request it or not? Okay, let's do the formalities.
Tower, Cessna
What is
Hotel Romeo Lima Papa Sierra is 7 miles southeast, 4100 with Quebec to land.
Cessna Hotel, Romeo Lima Papa Sierra, Tower, QNH 1013, fly left downwind, runway 21 left.
21 left. We fly from the 21
Enter
R.
left
I
downwind runway 21 left, Cessna Lima Papa Sierra.
think. Okay. This is our runway where we are going to land. So let's go to the final and then land it. Where is final? 100. I think this is not. Yes, this is the final. Okay, let's go there. I am at 2500 feet of height altitude. Okay, I am reducing the altitude. There are some artificial pond. I think these are what are these? I saw these kind of thing in the Karachi as well, near to the beach. Might be possible these are some kind of factory for salt processing or something else. I will I will check it what kind of these things. There are a lot of there. You can see. Okay, we are at 1000 feet of altitude. Let's go towards the final. That is our runway.
Cessna Lima Papa Sierra, wind 007 at 6, cleared to land, runway 21 left.
Clear to land
We are
runway
clear to
21
land.
left. Cessna Lima Papa Sierra.
We are clear to land. Let's go there. Wind is calm, means we are going to land easily. Let's see. I am extending the flap. You can see the flaps are extended, not fully extended, but extended. I have extended them more because we are going to land this plane on the runway 21L. Okay. We need to control our speed properly. I am setting up full flaps. The left runway is ours, on which we are going to land.
500.
You can see the peppy lights are there. We are following the right glide path because 2 lights are red, 2 lights are white. For the landing, there are 2-3 things very important. One is the speed management, one is the vertical speed, and the position, touchdown position. So when we reduce the speed, it increases the basically it increases the descent rate. So we have several tools like surface, elevator. Okay, we are landed. Elevators, air speed, and these 2 things helps to control the vertical to land the plane in a better way. Okay, we are landed and we can exit the runway from here. I hope you like this session. Please subscribe my channel and post your comments. Thank you very much.